Hi everyone. So somehow these days I have been remembering my childhood a lot, and it's bringing me back to all the amazing breakfast recipes my mom used to make for me when she would get ready for her school and she had very little time, and again, they were my favorite. So today we'll be making a French toast, and this is going to be a salty one. So no guilt about the sugar, and trust me, this tastes amazing. To make this, I'm taking 2 slices of bread. This is half a cup of milk, 2 eggs, some salt, and some pepper, and of course we'll need some cooking oil. Let us start by breaking the egg into the bowl. Give this a good whisk. The more you whisk it, the fluffier it will be. Now add the milk, salt to taste. You don't want too much salt because you could add in a lot of hot sauces and any dips that you want or spreads, and some black pepper. Give it a real good whisk this time. Continue till you see it slightly frothy. As you can see, this is nice and frothy. Next, take a pan, turn the heat on and let it heat up. While that happens, just gently dip in your bread nicely into this mix. Turn it over so this soaks in all the egg well. Let it sit for about 30 seconds before you actually transfer it onto a heated pan. The pan is all heated. Now put it on a low and gently place. Now give it a good spray of the cooking oil and let it cook on a low flame for a few minutes. Let's flip this and add some oil on the other side too.